Hi guys, good morning! I'm Chero Celestials of First Editions Batulao. So today, papakita ko po yung lot for sale natin dito kay First Editions Volume 2. Tara po! Own a prime pre-selling lots near Tagaytay. Our locations is Barangay Kailaway, Nasugbu, Batangas. So boundary lang po tayo ng Tagaytay and bungad lang ng Nasugbu. Same elevation lang din tayo ng Tagaytay kaya Tagaytay weather at mataas ang lugar kaya hindi binabaha. With our trusted developer, Century Property. Our prime lot is connected to our high-end project na First Editions Volume 2 West. Our minimum cut is 105 square meter for as low as 2.7 million pesos. 21,000 monthly lang to guys. Pwede mo nang ipatayo ang dream house na gusto mo. Siyempre, meron din kayong sariling amenities dito. Pwede bang mawala yun? Here's the sample of our amenities. Ito naman ang sample idea if ever na magpapatayo kayo ng sariling bahay. If interested ka sa lot for sale namin, pwede mong side viewing every day. If you want to know more about this project, just click the message button below. Thank you!